Guys, today is the day. YouTube announced on their community page that they'll be giving play buttons now to 100, 1,000, and 10,000 milestones. So smaller channels out there don't feel left out. They get included in the whole thing, you know, the whole award system, and it's so dope. And guys, today I got mine. I mean, look at this video. TSP. Congrats on passing 1,000 subscribers. Guys, I cannot thank you enough. This is so awesome. Shout out to YouTube for sending this out. It's so awesome that they're treating smaller channels out there, and you can probably tell this is fake by now. Hey yo, what up teaspoons? It's your boy TSP. Welcome back to another video. So this is a custom made YouTube play button, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make one of these. Let's get started. So a couple things you'll need for this project are a shadow box picture frame. It's when the picture frame is below, well, the actual glass is below the frame. So this specific one I got at Dollarama, so for like $4, so they're pretty inexpensive, or you can get the more expensive ones. It all depends on the quality of the material and everything like that. But anyways, now you'll need this YouTube play button little gold thingy. It's actually a belt buckle I did for a school project, and I just ended up reusing it. As you can see, those are the 3 holes for the belt buckle, but I just ended up using it. You can just make yours out of clay or something. I'll leave some links down below for other people that have made this. Another thing you'll need is this sheet right here. Now this is available, links down below in a PDF file. Download it and then print it out. Fun fact, I'm actually going to change this up for 10,000 when I hit 10,000. So drop a sub, and this will be a perfect time to plug my Instagram and Twitter. Go follow me. I'm at TSP Tech on both. You'll need a stapler and some scissors, and that's it. Let's get started. Here's how you do it. First up, you grab the piece of paper. I provided links down below, and you just cut up the square, and it's okay if you leave a little bit of white space, but just don't cut into it. Then there's multiple ways to put it together. You can use tape, you can use glue, you can use what I use is a stapler, because I used glue but it would just wet the paper up, and the paper's very thin, so it didn't really work out. It just ended up getting mushed, and so I just ended up going with a stapler. I started stapling these 4 squares. I stapled it the wrong way. Okay, cool. So I just finished this. Let's keep going. Now I already had like most of it done. Like I had this wooden part just cut out and everything for the holes of the belt buckle. And all I had to do was just stick it through the piece of paper, and it comes out like this. And you put it together like a picture frame. You add this thing, this hook thingy, and now it's time to hook it up. So let's do that. And yeah, here it is, the play button, custom made to whatever subscriber milestone. You don't need to have 100,000 subscribers to have a play button. Now, here's one thing I want to mention. Whether you have a play button, whether you don't have a play button, whether you have 100,000 subscribers or whether you have 100 subscribers, it doesn't matter. Well, it matters a bit, but what matters is the type of content you make. If you make shit content, no one's gonna subscribe like this channel. But if you make good content, obviously you're gonna start getting a following, and when you hit that milestone, you will get a play button. So it's just like a little reward that YouTube does to keep its creators going. Anyways, guys, that is the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and if you did, do drop a thumbs up down below. Subscribe if you are new. Join the Teaspoons, and I'm gonna be hanging this up. Thanks for watching. This is TSP, and I'll catch you in the next video. Nimdula, say hi. Say hi. Peace.